was March. Sobrang espesyal ng lugar na to para sa kwentong to. Ito lagi ko itong kinikwento. We were in Canada, March 2023. And we were on a tour. At napuntahan ko itong very beautiful place in Alberta. It's called Banff. Meron ba nakapunta naman Banff? Oh, medyo marami. Napakagandang lugar. As in, first time ko makakita ng ganun, coming from the Philippines. So parang ganun ka laking mountains na may mga snow caps. So parang ako, nanibago talaga ako. And sobrang nagandahan ako sa nakikita ko. And ako, ano ako sa mga ganyan, soft ako sa mga majestic na mga sceneries na nakikita. So nung nakita ko siya, sabi ko talaga, wow, Lord, grabe, napakaganda ng lugar na to. As in, sobrang saya ng puso ko nung time na yun. And sabi ko, may gaganda pa ba dito sa ganito kagandang lugar? And when I was there, sobrang happy ko. And sobrang saya ko sa nakikita ko. But then, after a while, I realized, andyan siya. Yung sobrang gandang side. Makakaano kayo niyan mga nakapunta ng band. Sobrang ganda. Andito ako, pero parang may kulang. Wala si Casey. Yun yung pinaka-emosyon na naramdaman ko nung time na yun. And I'm pretty sure, makaka-relate dito yung mga nasa long-distance relationship. Kung sino nandito, LDR, saludo ako sa inyo. Grabe, hindi madali ang nasa long-distance relationship. Tulad ni James. Napaka-hirap. Yung tipong kakain ka lang sa simpleng lugar, tapos okay ka, tapos kakain ka pagdating ng food mong in-order mo, ay, paborito nito. Di ba? Maalala mo? Tapos makikita ka isang place, gusto lang niya dito. Ganong pakiramdam. I wish you were here. That kind of thing. Napag-usapan namin to, naging point of conversation namin. Kasi, di ba dapat parang buo ako pag wala siya. Individually, we have to be, kaya natin. But, na-realize din namin na maybe this is what it means when you are one. Pag isa na kayo. Parang you just want to experience the best things in life na kasama mo siya. It's not that kulang ka pag wala siya. But, it's just that it's a million times better when she's around. Yan yung mismong pakiramdam na naramdaman ko noong time na yun. And I wrote a song about it. It's called Nowhere. Kaya take a listen.
I've been through 100 crazy seasons, but with you I find every single reason. I want you here, close and my dear. There's no place I'd rather be. It's my world turns gray when you're away. You paint my brightest hues, and my world turns gray when you're away. Nowhere's a better place. Nowhere's a better place. Nowhere's a better place. Nowhere's a better place. Nowhere's a better place when I'm without you. With you by my side, I see the best of night. Like how the ocean shines beneath